Hi guys, welcome to Shaka channel guys. So guys, mainly focused by the one of the best option is called Google AdWords. So what are the purpose of using Google AdWords? Mainly we can use in display, search and using shopping and YouTube marketing and app promotion. So how will be getting the website traffic? Second thing will be how we generating leads. So which campaign is better to use on the Google AdWords? First of all, we can go to option will be adwords.google.com. First of all, sign your account. Here, lot of people worry about that campaign. So which campaign is better to use? Lead generation, website traffic. What are the options are given in a particular Google AdWords? Which campaign is a better? So that will be how we can use. So this all will be a lot of confusion in your mind. The confusion will be sought out by in this Google AdWords campaign option. First of all, we can go to here. So this is you can understand the purpose I'm creating this campaign. Select the campaign first. When selecting the campaign, first of all is asking for your particular goals. What does it mean by goals? Goals nothing but you're looking for sales, a lead generation, website traffic, awareness, consideration, and app promotion, and local mappings. And these all option will be your particular goals on the Google AdWords. So first of all, we have to focus by the what are the option will be very useful on the goals. If you come into the sale, so if you go to the shopping network, compulsory Google Merchant account required. But in this sales will be support, search, display, shopping, video, smart and discovery. If you are lead generation, search, display, shopping, video, smart and discovery. If you go to website traffic, search, display, shopping, video, discovery. If you're looking for brand consideration, only will be video, influence consideration, ad sequence, and shopping. Next, awareness, display and video, app promotion, only app install, app engagement, local store, drive your particular customer a physical location, use my business location, use affiliate locations. So what are location will be here? Check this option. Now I'm looking website traffic and leads. In this purpose, we are selecting for search campaign. What is the purpose of search campaign? In the search campaign, we have options are here: website visit, phone call, shop visit, app download, lead form submission. I'm selecting at a time two options. We can name we're selecting for two options. Here we can generating website traffic and lead form submission. Now click for continue. That means you can generating website traffic along with your generating Google ads. So now I will be show here. This ad will be creating two areas: search, including Google Search Partner, display network, including Google Display Network. Expand your reach by showing ads to relevant customer as they browse sites, video and apps across the internet. So the people will be searching display wise, video wise, across app wise. They will be coming to display network. After this one, you can select the target the location. My target location entire Hyderabad. First of all, target by entire Hyderabad. So language will be a focus all language, not only one language. Audience selection is a common point. I don't be set any specific audience. My daily budget minimum will start with the 1500. So what is my purpose? I have to looking for conversion. That is the mean by lead. So that I'm selecting option will be conversion. Here I'm creating will be two type of ad. Search with the display. In the one campaign, we have to show our ad will be in the search network along with the display network also. So recently, one people asking one comment, so your account will be reactive stage. This you can understanding purpose and give the campaign structure. Clearly, output will be showing. After I'm reactive, I'll show one more ad with the new AdWords account. Set up the ad group, create ad, and review. So first step is going on daily budget, conversion. This all will be site link. Already the form is there. Create a new form. Form nothing but headline, business name, and description. Headline, contact us. Write business name and writing the description. Description not like that. Now I will be using big one. I can use through my website wise. So name, full name, phone number, email ID. So they ask you for these all options. Any question will be required as the question will be also there. So headline we can give. This will be shown to the customers. Background image we can show. We can use the particular image also. We can use the background image. So right now I'm using name, full name, email, and a particular phone number also. So call to action will be given. Save the form. So here we can add to the option. This is how you can add your particular phone number. So submission message is done. So visit site, action URL. You can come into this particular option. Call to action description. More details. So will be use this option will be here. So privacy URL and save. Lead form will be create. So here one more option will be here. Site link extension, call out extension, everything will be here. Simple. Just we can search in digital marketing course. When ad will be showing, these all will be extensions are here. That all options. But I'm not using any extension, any call out button. If you require use the call out button also will be here. How we can showing to customer. The mobile visible by the like this. So I'm not using my mobile number. People getting my website traffic along with the getting for my lead generation form also will be fill up to getting for leads purpose. Who are looking for our service, the sending by message will be here. Click for save and continue. Next you can selecting for ad groups. In this search campaign mainly dependent by the three options. The options are broad match, and exact match, and a phrase match. So these are the keyword I'm selecting here. Just I'm showing the particular keywords. Related keywords are most of the important. So I'm promoting digital marketing agency. So when using the particular matches, we can use the double quote option like this. This is nothing but you can use called phrase match. Exact match, you can use the complete bracket option. That will be exact match. So these are the particular budget. Now click for your ad group will be finish. Next one is called your ad will be create. This is based on the keyword. So the keywords will be like digital marketing codes or anything will be here. Digital marketing company. So these all options are you create. So agency. So, so right now I'm give this much of information. Click for done. So ad wise we have to use this option. So each ad group we can create number of ads based on requirement. You can create the number of ad option. You only they remember your keyword and your particular phase is important. What the phase will be? Three matches: phrase match, exact match, and broad match. Broad match, phase match, exact match. This will be very very much of important. The matches will be. So what is the purpose? I tell you here. Click for learn more. So what is the matches? I'll show you here. This will be broad match. Add may search show as a searchable relevant to the keyword. Ads may be show on searches that include the meaning of the keyword. Ads may show on searches that are the same meaning as your keyword. So, so if I'm looking for digital marketing course, if you am give exact keyword, when people searching digital course, our ad will show to the customer. In a phrase match, customer codes before after you can write anything, but that the name will be include, the search will be showing customer codes. If you go broad match, related keyword also will show to the customers. This will be example. This URL you can go with when you're selecting match time. Click learn more, understand the content. So search is main important is called that broad match, phase match, and exact match. Final one, review. So what date you mention, campaign daily budget. I'm looking for maximize conversion. Location will be Hyderabad. Target will be all language. My campaign goal will be leads. Get two benefits. I'll get my website traffic. Second thing will be people will be fill up the my lead generation form who are looking for my service. They create your form generating for Google leads. So what are the benefit is important that will be used on your particular option. So this all option we can use to increase the your website traffic and leads by using search campaign option. Finally click for publish. Some people asking one question recently in my comment box. Sir, I'm running my ad. Suddenly, can I add the keywords? Anytime you can add the keyword. The keyword is called here, add the keyword option. But eligible is a taking time. And one more thing is called when I add the keyword time. So any keyword will be showing low search volume. The color will be visibility will be difference. So in a running time, the keyword clicks, nothing is work out. Immediately you can click for pause the keyword. There's nothing use. So you can pause the keyword. No need to worry about that. So anything will be happen. Nothing will be happen for this. Some people say it's happening something like that. Based on keywords. So is nothing is happening. I can stop the my keyword. Anytime will be pause. So you can campaign will be paused, nothing will be work out. Your particular keyword also will be paused. Second thing will be matches. The matches will be when you click the keyword, select this one, the matches will be showing to the customers. When edit, here is the match phrase. Phrase will be show to customer here. There will be double quotes. If I give exact match, bracket, broad match, related keyword, anything will be match, they show to customer. But include this keyword will be called, that is a phrase match. These all option in the particular campaign here. So in this campaign, previous lot of easy options are there. But nowadays is a changing for everything will be here. First of all, ad group. After that, each ad group, we can add number of keyword. The eligible your ads will be here, show to the customers. Anytime you can edit the ad, change your title to show your customers, get the good traffic. If anybody say search the generating leads, yes, and website traffic, yes. So along with website traffic, we can generating lead form. The option will be selecting goals of leads that will be happening, generate leads and website traffic also. So this is campaign we can use, increase the website traffic and leads. People know about your business and your objective. People clearly understanding for your what are the services you're providing for to the customers. If you are anything doubts about this campaign, you can please me contact this Tracker channel. I definitely will be support how will be create the channel of the Google AdWords, how will be add the keywords you based on the market on your particular business will be support. Looking for leads is important. So every customer is asking some question. So recently So I have to looking for proper lead. So everyone, first of all, you can advertise will be your keyword is most popularly that useful and you're getting for Google leads. And mean by you can understanding the Google AdWords. So mainly focus by the proper keywords, how people will be search. Go to the keyword planner, which is high search volume keyword, use on Google AdWords, getting more leads the based on the search keyword. So any further business, any have question you will carry. So I am missing on any further calls. You can ask me in that. I definitely support on your particular Google AdWords. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.